Remo Secondary School.
I'm Michael Kunle Awoden, the current governor of the Old Student Association 73-77 set. We are happily looking forward towards the 80th anniversary of Remo Secondary School, and we are here to collect all our accessories be meant for the occasion, for the program, and I'm seizing this opportunity to enjoin all our old students, the old, the young, to be part of this celebration. You can easily get in touch with the office of the DG to inquire more about how you can get all these ashwebi and all other accessories. We are looking forward to see you on that day. Happy celebration in advance.
I'm the deputy of 73-77 set Yeye
One.
Yeye of the universe. Oh yes, this is we are planning our 80th anniversary at Remo Secondary School. This is our Ankara for the occasion. Be part of it. We are employing you. We are asking all our family members, all students, families and friends to please be a part of this celebration. It's coming up in February of next year.
My name is Arewemi Osude. I'm the Director General of the RSS at 80 Planning Committee. We are happy to be here this afternoon with my other members of my class set, the 73-77 class set, to collect our ashwebi and caps, all our attire we've collected, and we're looking forward to other people to be part of this celebration, to join us in this celebration. RSS at 80 is not just about ashwebi, it's not just about fila, it's not about just rice and beans. It's also about giving back to RSS, about contributing in a very meaningful way to the success of this, not only of this occasion, but also of this school, the upliftment of this school. We need to give back to this school and make it the best school that we can ever think about. So once again, I want to encourage every one of us, anybody that has ever passed through this school, to be part of this celebration.
Up school!
All
Energy full body, madam.